They're willing to continue to work to learn new ways of doing things and to adopt technology as it comes into the business. They aren't out pursuing those things on their own, but there are 3 in that area. That gives them a 6 so far on the employee value formula. Now let's take a look at that employee's emotional expensiveness. This scale is now inverse on a scale of 1 to 5. 1 being that they're very low maintenance, 3 being that they are pretty emotionally mastered. They have kind of control over their own emotions, and they are assertive, work well with others. They fall off the bus maybe once every quarter. You've got to give them lots of love and reward and recognition to kind of build them back up. That's a 3. A 5 is someone, you could basically say is unfit for human consumption. They just are difficult to work with. They maybe hoard information, or they pass the buck and blame others, or they are drama kings and queens. Basically, when you see their car in the parking lot in the morning, when you thought you're going to have a nice quiet extra hour early in the morning at work, and you see their car in the parking lot, you're a bit bummed. You're thinking, ugh, I don't want to deal with that again. So let's say the employee I'm referring to actually is pretty low maintenance. They may be a 2 in regards to their emotional expensiveness. If you do the math with me, you'll see an average performer with average potential that has even a 2 in emotional expensiveness, 3 plus 3, and you have to subtract 3 times 2, which is 6. You'll find their employee value is 0. Doesn't necessarily mean a negative. It just means that you basically are getting what you pay for. They give you average performance and potential. They are low cost to the organization. It's a pretty fair transaction, and basically when it comes to value, this employee adds value